Okay, so welcome back. So sa video na to, solve natin tong lab na unprotected admin functionality with unpredictable URL. So this lab has an unprotected admin panel. It is located at an unpredictable location. But the location is disclosed somewhere in the application. So solve the lab by accessing the admin panel and using it to delete the user Carlos. So visit natin yung lab. Again, this is the same itsura ng lab na previous video natin. And kapag tinignan natin yan sa robots.txt, katulad nung last video natin, sabi dito, not found. No? So ngayon, saan natin hahanapin? So isang mga way para makapaghanap ng mga information ay to look at the source code ng web application. So let's right click and view page source. And makikita natin dito na meron tayong script dito, no? And if we read the script, sinasabi if the admin is false, blah 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 blah, top links, blah blah blah, href, and we see here a path, no? Admin dash some numbers and some characters, no? So ito yung admin panel natin. So now if we try and visit this, we can see na nandito na tayo ulit sa ating admin panel and we can easily delete the user Carlos and solve na lang. Okay? So, I hope na nagets nyo tong video na to and see you in the next video.